quarter tayo. Patrick Tadena on the free throw area. Number 15. First shot is good para sa Team XS. Second shot, 2 for 2 para kay Patrick Tadena. Number 14, 3, short. Last 2 minutes tayo sa ating fourth quarter. Step back 3, no good. Rebound, number 25, fade away shot, no good. Guys, sa corner, 4-3, short. Rebound ng Team Choi. Number 3, basket is good. Number 8, guys sa corner, 4-3. In and out. Number 24, 4-3. Wala. Ibang by Patrick. Number 25, pinasa loob. Basket. At dito na po, inuubos ang oras. Seven seconds to shoot. Wow, nice game. Alright, at dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations para sa ating champion this 2024 to 2025 Barangay Little Baguio Seniors Division. Our final score is 75 and 88. Panalo po ang Team Choi, ang Team Gray and Pink. And a nice game para sa Team XS this season. Grabe ang performance na pinakita ng pagkabilang team. At mamaya-maya magbabalik tayo para sa ating awarding ceremony ng ating liga dito sa Barangay Little Baguio. And a shoutout po sa Barangay Council ng SK and Barangay Council ng Barangay Little Baguio. And together with SK Chairwoman and the rest of the council ng barangay. Yun o, mga panalo kayo ha. Ayan ah. Kay Chairwoman Silvano and ating barangay captain forgot this first name, the Silvano. And a shout out SK Kagawad Grabe ang laban nyo kanina.
Gano'n, saan na lang naman?
Hindi, wala. No problem.
Thank you po sa mga nanood.
Next season ulit, oh. Ayun, oh. Hey, yo. Hey, shoutout guys. Meron pa ba shoutout? Tignan natin mamaya. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating ceremony. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pananood. Thank you po kay La SK, Chairwoman, and the Council as well. Sige, cover natin ang championship nyo. Ay,